Hello, buyers and sellers. Has there been a shift in the housing market? As we move into the fourth quarter of 2024, what are the experts predicting for the remaining of the year? Hi, I am Sumashri, the realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. Let us break it down. According to National Association of Realtors Chief Economist Lawrence Yun, the housing market is seeing a slow shift from a seller's market to a buyer's market, with homes sitting on the market a bit longer and sellers receiving fewer offers. In fact, most buyers submitting offers today are asking for all their contingencies and not waiving them to get their offer accepted. Nationally, unsold inventory is at a 4-month supply, up from a 3-month supply in the spring. The last time unsold inventory posted a 4-month supply was back in spring 2020, so we are seeing the highest level of inventory in more than 4 years. Nationally, properties have remained on the market on average 22 days, slightly up from 18 days from this time last year. Now, keep in mind, this is a very small shift with supply and demand at a more balanced market. Properties that are priced correctly will move quickly, and the ones that are not will most likely sit longer. Of course, as we all know, the real estate market can be very volatile. If we see mortgage rates come down even further this year, that may shift the market even further with more buyers' competition. And remember, it is important to know what is happening in your local area, as all regions are different. Please reach out to my team and me so that we can give you an in-depth analysis of inventory, pricing and mortgage rates. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, serving buyers and sellers with integrity and excellence in the Bay Area. I love what I do and people love what I do. Thanks for watching and have a great day.